All right, cleaning your engine is actually really easy. And why do you want to do it? Well, if you're like me, you like all of your car clean and detailed. On most modern vehicles, there's almost no problem at all with cleaning your engine. If you have a cold air intake or an open air filter on the engine, make sure and put a plastic bag over that or aluminum foil, blast it off. Then, I'm gonna go ahead and take the all-purpose cleaner and blast down the top of the engine compartment. The wheel face brush is one of the most perfect brushes that we have for gently and carefully cleaning all of the engine compartment. There's some spots that I won't be able to get with this tool. With those, I'll grab the lug and trim brush. This is the time also where you want to get all the leaves out of the engine compartment. All right, and then last step, just rinse it out. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our air cannon and turn it all the way to max. You want to look as close to new as possible. And this look, as soon as it dries out, it's gonna be better than new.